Those one. Also nkem ka na agbatala ụlọ kịta. Mgbalụ nkem ka na agbatala ụlọ kịta. Avoid the anu Mathias etu amadu si avoid leprosy. Kuma etu amadu si avoid leprosy. Avoid the etu amadu si avoid cancer. Kuma etu ya witeto la pele isi chukwu nya wopolo cancer. Ni na reject leprosy. Sina etu we avoid ya reject ya rebuke onu Mathias. If not because of the kind of society I know. Mathias is supposed to run on a rehabilitation center. Ebe nidiri ka nya carry no brain into the modern day society. I have to be honest with you. How are you going to vote and entrust your constituency fund in the hand of a man who is more like a religious bigot? That is the religious bigotry to the highest level. How can you entrust your constituency fund in the hands of such man? A man no say me free hospital. Whereby na onyoka bata ebe ahụ etriti ege kwụ ụgwọ mana onye omenana ka onye ọdịnala bata ebe ahụ etriti ege ọwụ free. How can you entrust your constituency fund in the hand of such man? Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. How can you do so? A man who say free hospital, by the way, by foundation on our own, people now contribute money left, right, and center. As far as twice the other day, Ebuka 5 million. Ebuka is a devoted Christian Lolo church. Nenye church Enugu State. Nye 5 million. Wala kana bonality na pa. Pota announce the money. But free hospital also no lolo, which is not even existing anywhere. Because any gongo fact, na ife basa free hospital house sakamanje. Oh na Mathias na run an effective free hospital. To free hospital suppose this word. He run a hospital bed you need bed for. He run a mother yada Allah na sit out here. Jena teaching hospital ebe na akwụgwọ. Jena hospitals ebe na akwụgwọ. Ilu oke for patient. We reason and them mmadụ ji nteno no we free hospital do na Anambra State. Egwa m na Mathias aye jebe na higher hall ebe ndị mmadụ ya da no because onwe ka 2-bedroom flat ya ho je kwụ ụgwọ na mkpọ. Onwe ka ko accommodate ya. No bossy okoro ndị Igbo run a real free kidney and liver function test. Real one and not audio. Real one and not audio. Obosi ahụ itu okwute okonisi mmadụ. Ndị mmadụ si Anambra, ndị mmadụ si Imo State, ndị mmadụ si Abia State, ndị mmadụ si people see from Ebonyi State. We be Enugu State because of free kidney and function test. We gwazie na ebe ahụ free maternity hospital ebe a na-eje amụ nwa. Onwe every single day more than 30 mothers aye deliver na that hospital. No audio no na alụ ọrụ. Onweho ka ije ebe a ka file iwelu file patient load we na trailer 40 feet o yeju ito na ino sisi oji we mepe onya ka yeju we mana Sakamanje ka kita o ka ada eti na mkpudo ndị mmadụ bịa nyere ya aka mana iji we gwa na ife ahụ wo ka na-emewe Sakamanje ka ọ wụrụ na amagaghale ka ọ wụrụ na ama aka na amakogharị aka ife enweghị isi. There are some things that is not sustainable, especially you cannot start with an unhealthy competition. Competing against those people who has done over 100% of that thing if you run. So, even your vote to Mathias is a vote to divert your constituency fund into a particular small section of people because they are small unit of people. Very, very, very minority. That is why if that's also more Pastor that's also more kai crusade na amoka be ha itu opute okonisi mmadu Evangelist Ebuka Obi kai crusade na ngo bala Imo State ube ha. In fact any part of southeast iru eba opute okonisi mmadu nyaka Mathias City crusade twice na be ha na Enugu State n'ụzọ 1 iru eba ndị na ebe ha eluho minus nwanne nwoke na ụmụ ya mama ya na nwanye na ebi n'ime ụmụnna ha niile abata ebe mmadụ tu nya na ha dụra mma iwu ndị ọzọ bịara ebe a ivu waja ha abịahụ ndị niile a na-asị Mathias Raidon all these bloggers ha ncha niile nwere onye bịara dị ya nwere onye full sense in what is doing. They are only using him as a tool to appeal to their conscience so that they can be committing evil and committing evil with their full chest. Bible is the only book. Bible is the only moral book any enforcement for you to talk to yourself. Bible. Any Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria need the police to enforce it. They need so many law enforcement agencies, not one, not two, to enforce the law. You want to go? Man, a Bible. Only you go commit sin inside the house. Only you, because of the words said on that Bible, we still go about kneeling down, asking God for forgiveness, even when nobody has seen you. Your conscience will never be at rest because of that word done at that Bible. How else are they going to do away with this so that they can sell their soul and conscience to the devil, so they can commit atrocities, they can commit evil without having any remorse? It is by confronting that word, which is Bible, which is the book of Christians. And that is why you see them cowardly running round Mathias without showing their faces, but through the little actions and words that is not even fully but partially, they are throwing in words to show you that they are in support of what Ifonya and Eme, even though they know that they don't want to come out fully. So did you see anybody come out there? Or Muyesi Anambra State Biatro Mathias Auko, or Yesi Nampo Lord Runde Mado Jebe Gulu ko megolu n'ụzọ one. Kelifo megole ba or ijelolo ofonye or widow na-abụ uno or ito because of tata or ijeme nya ọwụrụ nya na ịma na onye ọ na ya agba posta ọwụrụ nya ma na Bishop Ozubro ya azọ governor of Anambra State ma na agbara nzo Ozubro ya azọ governor of Anambra State anyị nwere men na Nnewi Ojioko Isiva Lasa Oyefa Icon Industries va Cletus Ibeto will make an effort. Chika Singer, then more like a community scholarship. Many of them employers of labors in thousands of numbers. Many of them employ shall more than Denka, and will more na Denka service today, and will more than 3,000 to 4,000 millionaires and billionaires who are making their livings off Denka service because now that company exists. And with many people. Joel Pharmaceuticals, men who are pulling things, who are making things to happen. You want to go in with men who are making things to happen. Igbo, just as governor of Enugu State. These are men who have physical things. Oh, Mathias spread the propaganda. Propaganda and I far than actions. I am not seeing any actions, but I am hearing words. I want to see if I qualify here, or by that Jesus or not to do if you have an Kamatasi, you representing the also one. A house. It is the issue. Mr. Speaker, Jesus Christ came last 10 years to deceive our people. And Jesus said, Pastor said, church this, our ancestors, our forefathers, reincarnation, or if Mathias Ezeaku a National Assembly. I want to see. So give your vote to Mathias. Then Marona constituency fund may reduce to service of a minority group. If people can be given willingly to him, look at Ebuka Onunkwo is a Christian, a devoted one at that, who give mightily to the church, who even built a church by himself, or matter how will go will support or even Mathias name. Can Mathias do that? He cannot do that. Can Mathias donate to a church? He cannot do that. Can Mathias give to Christians? He cannot do that. He said it clearly that no bulukwo ni undoka. Remember a lady biara na nkeye gwalo ye no jelu Zion jikwa weme ichetara aka J caricature o ji that lady wee mee. Now if you come to office Mathias, many cases Mathias na-egosi o ji eme sakamanje niile ọ na-emewu ịbịa eje woto ofu sticker church were wee ma abrakadabra so that you can show people no church ka ị na-eje bụ na onwe ife na-eme iwe bịa mana ịjụ nothing for you o kwurie na no. In fact, o threaten ndị mmadụ gwa ha na onwe mgbe ya woluo ha jụ na ha ye donate to that hospital or turn no to personal hospital yeah, which I know if all onwe fa awo sakamanjo nwere ife na media. So you have nothing on the ground you can point and say that this is the reason why, apart from either God Jesus no toto ife na abani nya we qualify iji we represent in the bona fa sorry fe ngwade we go na shetan na Mathias onye Igbo ko ma no do tribe by religion. Meaning, if you are a Christian, nothing for you. On a way clearly, if you are a Christian, nothing for you. Ego constituency, yado reserved for those few minority of people. Yana ne megeli fa hane megeli. You gotta go. Onye wana chori wu politician. Onye wana chori wu politician. Ufodo GHO ke ere zero ego. Ka ha wolu we nwanye na business fa na-eme. Ke fundraising among their friends and their committee, among their associates, we fundraising, he will go behind that, but we support your business here. MHA election, get a phone or increase what scope of business here. These are reasons why you should avoid Mathias like leprosy, like cancer, the deadly disease, Ebola, HIV. Avoid the iron agba in our bako oparo, Ebola follow poster, na agba in our bako na kudisi. You cannot come to governance through dividing Igbos. You cannot come to governance through dividing and instigating Igbos against themselves. You think you can be a leader in this country? It's not possible. Wake up, man. Wake up, man. You are not anything related to peace. Disunity is your second name. You don't even like where peace exists. If you show every day, we will say a legislative member. Even a community in the joka juru dominatory ye gbapụ mmiri onwe ife concern ha ya date e concentrate na those few people few places ebe inwelu ife ya fo wije ma be chekwube ha je lo chekwube ife na for ndị na-asị m ezughị iwu onye Enugu State. No, don't worry, you will soon understand. You will soon understand na ma onye Enugu State ka na ma onye Enugu State. Mathias is not fit to become a leader anywhere, not even a religious leader. He's not fit. A religious leader is one who controls his people. He doesn't have, if only may instigate in them mother. Mathias in way power, the whole Christians overnight. He will do that. He is the real Antichrist. He is the real Antichrist. Bible, he is here. Oh, guy, I was saying, Jesus, is in Pia, is in ho. He is the real Antichrist. Be warned. Be warned. Be warned. This is Ezugo.